inches. A light glaze of ice is also possible. Where? Portions of southern Connecticut, northeast New Jersey, and southeast New York. When? From 5 p.m. Saturday to 11 a.m. Sunday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Check local Department of Transportation information services for the latest road conditions. Here are the current conditions. As of 3 p.m. at Central Park, it was sunny.